In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Google Sites. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so let me show you what you need to do. So first, once you're on Google Sites, and once you're on the website that you want to add a custom domain to, you want to then go to Settings in the top right-hand corner, and then head over to Custom Domains. And once you're here, you can see that you can add a custom domain, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on Start Setup, and now enter in the domain. So to get your domain from Namecheap, you want to log in. Go to your username, go to dashboard, and then it should take you here. Now, if you don't have too many domains, they will be here. If you have a lot, go to domain list. And then obviously you can find your domain from here. I'm going to use onlinehowtoguide.click just as an example. So I'll copy this domain. We can then go back to Google Sites and then I can paste that in here. And what's likely going to happen is it's going to tell me that it's not verified. We need to verify that we own this domain. So click here where it says verify your ownership, and it's going to take you to this window called Google Search Console. You want to make sure you're on the domain section and then make sure your domain is correct and then click on continue. After you've done that, it's going to check the verification and it's now going to open up this window where we need to add a TXT record to your domain name. Now, this is just going to confirm that we own the domain. Okay, so we need to add a TXT record and we need to also copy this here. So go ahead and copy this to your clipboard, then go to Namecheap, go to manage, and then once you're in manage, you want to head over to advanced DNS. So click advanced DNS and then wait for that to load. And if you have anything here at the minute, just want to delete it. So just go ahead and delete it. Make sure you've got no records, right? And now you want to add a new record. And we're going to add a TXT record. Now for the host, you want to type in @ For the value, you want to paste in this long value that you've got from Google Sites. So you can see you want to paste in this. Now go ahead and click on the green tick, and that's going to save those changes and add that record. And now once you've done that, you can click on verify, and it should then verify that you own this domain. If it doesn't happen or work straight away, just give it a couple of minutes. You can see now it is working. So now we can go and click done and now head back to Google Sites. Now you want to cancel out of this window and then go back to Start Setup and then type in your domain again once more. So again, I'm going to copy the domain here from Namecheap. So now we've let Google Sites know that we own the domain. Now we just need to link the domain to Google Sites. So you can see this time we have no error message. So now we can click next. Now all we need to do is add one more DNS record. So you can see here you need to create a CNAME record. The CNAME value needs to be www and the destination needs to be this here in bold. So copy this in bold, including the period at the end. Now go back to Namecheap, go ahead and scroll down to your records, add a new record where we need to add a CNAME record, remember. For the host, you need to type www, and then for the target, you want to paste in this here from Google Sites. And that's pretty much all you've got to do. You can then click on the green tick. That will then add that record, and you can then go back to Google Sites and click done, and it should then recognize you've added that. Now, this can take up to 48 hours to go into effect. Your domain might not be working right now. Again, it can take up to 48 hours to be changed on all servers, but you can try it. It probably won't work right now. But yeah, just be patient. If you've done everything as I did in the video, it will work and it will be connected within up to 48 hours.